Sunshine up, clouds so high, water's on the move. Wanna know why? Yeah. Sun shines down, giving heat, giving power. Tiny drops rise up from the lake, from the shower. That's evaporation, up levitation from oceans, rivers, puddles, basins. Leaves breathe out on a hot, bright day. That's transpiration, steam drifting away. All that water vapor floating in the sky, riding on the air as it lifts up high. Round and round the water goes, where it stops nobody knows. Sun gives energy, feel that glow, keeps the water cycle on the go. Evaporation, up we fly, condensation in the sky, precipitation, rain, hail, snow, and we're back again. Let's go, let's go. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Way up high where the air gets cold, vapor sticks together, little drops take hold. That's condensation, cloud creation, crowds of tiny droplets in a lofty formation. Clouds get heavy, can't hold tight, down comes water, day or night. That's precipitation, rain, hail, snow, falling from the clouds to the ground below. Some runs off down hills, down streets, rolling off, rushing on speedy feet. Some sinks in through soil and stone, infiltration time, finding a home. Round and round the water goes, where it stops nobody knows. Sun gives energy, feel that glow, keeps the water cycle on the go. Evaporation, up we fly, condensation in the sky, precipitation, rain, hail, snow, and we're back again. Let's go, let's go. Into rivers and seas, this collection, lakes and oceans, water connection. Sun heats up and cycle starts over and over, never to stop. From plant to cloud, from cloud to ground, listen to the cycle spinning around. Every simple drop takes a trip each day, recycled water in a looping way. Round and round the water goes, where it stops nobody knows. Sun gives energy, feel that glow, keeps the water cycle on the go. Evaporation, up we rise, condensation, fill the skies, precipitation, down you fall, transpiration, please stand tall, run off racing, bodies choke, infiltration down below, collection waiting, oceans grow.
Agent Sonam here. We have a crisis. Farm Alpha's crops are dying because there's no water, and the Sky Station, our weather regulator, is not working. That means we have to restart the water cycle. The water cycle is the process that moves water from the ground to the sky and back to the ground again. To restart the cycle, we need the most powerful engine in our solar system. What do you think provides heat to our planet? That's right, the sun. Let's go, junior agents. To get the water up to the Sky Station, we have to use the sun to hit it with energy. When the water gets so hot, the molecules move faster and faster until they turn from a liquid into an invisible gas called water vapor. What do we call that invisible gas? Water vapor, that's right. When water turns from a liquid to a gas and rises up, we call that evaporation. All right, junior agents, we are the water molecules. When you see the sun shine bright, do wavy arms so that you can evaporate. But be careful, a cold front is trying to freeze us back down. When it gets cold, huddle in your heat bubble. Are you ready? Let's go! Turning into a gas, this is evaporation. Keep rising, agents. Warning, cold front, freeze! We don't want to turn back into a liquid. Keep those arms moving. Don't let gravity hold you down. Freeze, cold front. Almost there, almost 100% vaporized. You got your first achievement, the vapor badge. This proves that you know that liquid water turns into a gas through evaporation. Great job, agents. But Farm Alpha doesn't need water vapor, it needs liquid water. It's time to go to the sky. We made it to the sky station, but all of the vapor is just floating around. We need it to cool down and huddle together. When water vapor cools down to form liquid drops, that's called condensation. And it forms the little white things that are floating around in the sky. What do we call those? Clouds, that's right. Junior agents, it's time to cool down the water vapor to create clouds. When you see vapor, blast it with cold air to turn it into a drop. But be careful, when lightning strikes, huddle down to stay safe. Ready? Let's make clouds. Blast that vapor. We're making water droplets. Wow, that was a close one. Great reflexes, agent. It's getting chilly. The molecules are huddling to stay warm. Warning, lightning alert. It's getting colder. The droplets are huddling together. That's called condensation. Look, you've earned the Cloud Builder medal. That proves that you are an expert at condensation. You huddled together drops to create a massive storm cloud. Wow, that thing is huge and gravity is pulling on us. Junior agents, get ready. It's starting to rain. Our cloud is fully saturated. Saturated is a fancy word that means really full. When the droplets get too heavy, gravity pulls them back down to Earth. Whether it's rain, snow, sleet, or hail, do you know what we call that? That's right, we call it precipitation. Agents, we need to help gravity. Jump up and down on the cloud to help shake the droplets loose. But watch out for the sunshine. If you see the sun, freeze in place. Because if we evaporate too soon, Farm Alpha will stay dry. Ready? Initiate rain sequence. Jump! Gravity is pulling the water down. Freeze! The sun is trying to evaporate us. Jump! Jump! Shake those droplets loose. Whoa, that was a close one. Back to work. Gravity is taking over. It's way too heavy for the sky. Rain, hail, or snow, it's all precipitation. Look at that! You earned the Rainmaker medal. You created precipitation and brought the water back home. Great job, junior agents. Mission accomplished. We used solar energy to heat up water through evaporation. And then we cooled down those water droplets and turned them into clouds using condensation. And then, using precipitation, we brought water right back to the farm. Great job, junior agents. See you next time.
Round and round the water goes.